this is Svenja, and today's video is about the fourth pattern in harmonic minor. So in this video we are going to learn the fourth pattern in harmonic minor, which you can use to improvise over the chord on the fifth step, or the dominant of the scale. The dominant is really important in harmonic minor, since it creates a lot of tension. This is because it's a major chord whose major third is also the major seventh of the root. Since in this workshop we are in the key of A harmonic minor, this would be the tone G sharp, and the chord on the fifth step, the E major chord. The E major seventh is only a semitone away from the root, therefore it's also called the leading note. When you hear this note, you will strongly expect it to be dissolved into the root, so it's really nice and conclusive when we play the A minor chord after the E major chord. Try this for yourself. But now I show you the fourth pattern in harmonic minor. Start on the lower E string, on the E in the 12th fret. Now I'll show you the same pattern in thirds. As in the other parts of this workshop, I'll now show you some licks. Example 1 is the connection between pattern 3 and 4. You can use it over the E major chord and then dissolve it into the root. I first play it at a low speed and then fast. Lick 2 works within the fourth pattern. Pay attention that you have to permute the D and the A string. You can find the download links to the article and the tabs in the description box below. Now I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you want to support me, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, until next time, keep grooving.